Still need to change the tune. It has the MHD and whatever that's called, the tune. JB4 MHD, so I need to put it back to stock, but we're gonna start it up. Alright, kinda nervous. So, there you have it. Very first 1972-2002 BMW with N54 swap. People have done S55. I think it's S55, the blue one out there. But this is one with the first N54 2002 swap. So, right now I'm trying to finish the downpipe. You can see it. There's really no space in this car. That's what I'm working with. Gonna fix the downpipe, fix the brakes, drive shaft, then I should be able to drive it. But other than that, just excited I got it running. So cheers to that. Peace.